So I went to the P.O. box, and I got a mail-in repair. It says it's from Larry, and Larry has an original Xbox that doesn't read discs.
Gotta take off that GameStop factory seal.
Hidden screws. So we are going to pull this disk drive out of here. Little hidden screw there. Gotta pull the disk drive out first, or the hard drive out first. And that usually frees this guy up. Now pull the replacement drive. It seems to plug in a different place, but that's fine. Little Grand Theft Auto 3. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? I don't know. Oh, sheesh! Well, that's quite the fix if I ever saw one. Hey! Thing's been down for like 6 months. Wow! Look at that animation. I like it. You guys have a good day!